Hey, beautiful people. She's extremely talented. She did all this. The baby hair, as you can see. She did the makeup. She did the styling. She did it all. She does the admin. She does the behind the scenes. She can sing too. She's so talented, like from head to toe.
Okay.
No. See, girl. Queen, I should say. So, has anything ever happened behind the scenes that was so crazy, but in front of the camera it looks like completely smooth? You know, like when I don't know, for example, if somebody's wearing a dress that looks amazing from the front, but at the back, you know, like people had to pull it together and stuff like that, where you're like, oh my God, we were suffering. Or, you know, I mean, like I did lots and lots of music videos where it looked good, but behind the scenes, we all knew.
Are you seriously asking me? Hagere?
Oh God, what happened?
We did the most handcraft stuff ever. Like,
oh,
بمزحتيو تلوكس تريهم زرعهم في music video. Most of it بعلنا يسرحنا يوم.
Oh, it's true. It's
true. The jewelry تي عنق إيجالديو.
نكساديو أبغرنايو.
The do you
think?
Isn't
Absolutely.
Do you think بمولو يا تخيلنا نيرا?
No.
She was wearing pajamas from down here.
That's true. Don't tell everyone.